Yo, what's good? So today, another new video. Something a little bit different this time. Brought a GoPro strap for my head, and I am currently on holiday in Cornwall, St Ives Hale, I think that's how you pronounce it. But I found an awesome road, and yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I'm just going to smack it straight onto my head now. So yeah, let's get straight into it. You guys are like already subbed, you'll know I'm like, well, at this time at the moment I'm one subscriber off 600, which is, to me, it's pretty much of like an achievement, because I started off I think on 400 and something subscribers, which is obviously quite a lot. I used to ride scooter, as most of you already know who was subscribed to the channel already, but I thought I'd give it a little bit of a change up and try and do bit of car content, and obviously the support like already is unreal. So if you guys can drop that sub and also comment what videos you want to see. But yeah, just get into the driving POV. You can see this view that I'm seeing because you're on my head. But now do you see why I wanted to do this video? The view is absolutely insane. I can't fault it, it's such a lovely place. If you get a chance to, come down to Cornwall in England. It's mean. Lanes are a little bit tight, but you'll soon see why I want to do this. It's pretty sick when you get up the top. Obviously you come down to the other end of the beach, the best views, that's all I'm going to say. I'll let this car through. Where they start to get a bit tighter, so yeah, let's see what comes our way. And if you don't already, follow my Instagram account. @TLees_YouTube. Like it's gonna rain over there, so fingers crossed it doesn't, because I want you guys to see the view as well as me. It's like I said in the start of the video, insane. We'll also stop back off over this way and try and get some cinematics as well. That'll be on my TikTok, which is the same as my Instagram, tlees_YouTube. Make sure you go follow them. I'll plug them down in the description as well. There was absolutely loads. Oh, right. I hope you lot are ready. You're ready to see the sea. It looks mint. We come here earlier in the day and this is how we found the road. Look at this. All these nice houses as well over there. That one there particularly as well is wicked. I'm going to turn around now and go back on the road that we just came. So yeah, let's do a quick U-turn here. Oh, check where you're going, mate. tell, but there's bloody loads of bugs that have been splattered on the window screen from up here. Turn around and try and park on the other one, I think. Anything coming? So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video for today, but I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different for me, and plus I got to see the scenic routes, but Cornwall's such a lovely place. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you drop that sub, and also comment on the video. What do you want to see me do? Who do you want to see me film? What cars, etc. Even doing stuff to my own car, because I'm down for that, 100%. Let's try and get to 1,000, I think 401 subscribers, and then I'll be there. But yeah, thank you for the support that you've already given me. See you soon. Peace.